In today's fast-paced world, many of us seek ways to boost our income without the burden of a second job. This video will explore 7 easy and practical methods to earn extra cash on weekends, transforming your free time into productive opportunities. From leveraging your skills online to engaging in local gigs, these strategies are designed to fit seamlessly into your weekend routine, ensuring that making money feels enjoyable rather than overwhelming. By the end of this video, you'll discover how to turn your weekends into a rewarding experience, allowing you to enhance your financial situation while still enjoying your leisure time. Let's dive into these exciting possibilities and unlock your weekend earning potential. Selling unused items from home offers a fantastic way to declutter while making some extra cash. Common household items like old gadgets, clothes, furniture, and books can easily be found in new homes. Platforms such as eBay and Facebook Marketplace make the selling process simple and accessible, allowing you to reach a wide audience with just a few clicks. Listing items is straightforward, and you can set your own prices, making it a flexible option for anyone looking to earn money. Not only do you benefit financially, but you also create a more organized and spacious living environment. Embracing this practice can lead to a cleaner home and a little extra income, making it a win-win situation for everyone involved. Exploring the concept of finding free items online to flip for profit can be an exciting venture with minimal risk. Websites like Craigslist often feature sections dedicated to free items, where you can discover a variety of goods available for pickup. Common items that can be easily collected and resold include furniture, electronics, and appliances, all of which can be refurbished or cleaned up for a profit. The beauty of this approach lies in the zero initial investment required. You can start this money-making journey without spending a dime. By leveraging your creativity and resourcefulness, you can turn discarded treasures into cash, making it an appealing option for anyone looking to earn extra income while minimizing financial risk. Earning money by playtesting new video games is an exciting opportunity for gamers to turn their passion into profit. Platforms like Playtest Cloud connect players with game developers who are eager for feedback on their latest creations. By participating in playtests, you not only get to enjoy the latest games before they hit the market, but also provide valuable insights that can shape the final product. This enjoyable process allows you to immerse yourself in gameplay while contributing to the gaming community. If you love gaming, why not consider it as a potential income source? With just a few hours of playtesting, you can earn money while indulging in your favorite hobby, making it a win-win situation for any gaming enthusiast. Utilizing your weekends for money-making activities can be both rewarding and enjoyable. It's essential to strike a balance between fun and productivity during your time off, ensuring you recharge while also enhancing your financial situation. Consider creative ways to combine leisure activities with earning opportunities, such as hosting a garage sale while enjoying a sunny day, or offering to walk dogs in your neighborhood while catching up on your favorite podcasts. These activities not only allow you to earn extra cash, but also keep your weekends engaging. I encourage you to take action and explore these money-making ideas. You might be surprised at how fulfilling it can be to turn your free time into a productive and profitable experience. Embrace the possibilities. In summary, this video highlighted several key points about making money on weekends without feeling overwhelmed. We explored various strategies, including selling unused items, playing video games, and finding free items to flip for profit. The main takeaway is that weekends can be transformed into productive and enjoyable opportunities to boost your income while maintaining a balance between fun and work. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe, like, and share the video to support our channel and stay updated on more money-making tips. We invite you to explore related opportunities and engage with our community as we continue to provide valuable insights to help you maximize your weekends and achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching.